Welcome to Facts Spark today. In this video, we will talking about the importance and facts of the Greenland.
Facts Spark on the topic of Greenland.
High at the very top of our world, there is a giant. It is a quiet land made of old blue ice. It is a place where time stands still. It holds the secrets of our past and the future of our world. The ice here is 3 kilometers deep. It is like an ocean of frozen water stacked into the sky. It is so heavy that it pushes the ground down. It is bending the earth under its great weight. If this ice giant melts, the oceans will rise everywhere. The world will change forever. Big cities like New York and London will disappear. They will be lost under the cold waves of the sea. Long ago, the Vikings found green grass in these valleys. They built homes and lived here for many years. But now only old stone ruins are left. They are like lonely ghosts hidden in the snow. The most powerful countries on Earth are starting to move. America and China and Russia are all watching. They want to control this frozen land. Greenland is now the center of a global power struggle. Beneath the beautiful green lights of the sky, life goes on. The people of the North are very strong. They stay in their homes and watch silently. They see their frozen world changing every single day. The giant is finally waking up. The future of our planet depends on this ice. We must listen to what the land is telling us. This is the story of Greenland. It is a land we can no longer ignore.
This soup is perfect for the cold.
Yes, and the bread is still warm.
It's yummy.
Amazing facts about the Greenland. Fact number 1, the size and the ice. Greenland is the largest island in the world that is not a continent. Almost 80% of the land is covered by a massive sheet of ice. This ice is so thick that it covers nearly 2 million square kilometers. If you stood on the ice, you would be thousands of meters above the sea. Fact 2, the rising ocean. The ice sheet in Greenland holds enough water to change the entire planet. If all of that ice melted into the sea, the ocean would rise by 7 meters. This would flood almost every coastal city on Earth. It is one of the biggest dangers to the future of our world. Fact 3, in the far north of Greenland, the sun does not set for several months. From late May to the end of July, the sky stays bright all through the night. This is called the midnight sun, and it changes how people live. Even at midnight, the sun is still shining over the frozen mountains.